Hello everyone, this is the Tech Girl 007 here, yet with another social media video for you all. One would wonder how crazy these short videos are that after TikTok, every other platform started incorporating it in their own software to rival TikTok with limited time allowance and under different names. So first TikTok, then Instagram stumbled upon Instagram Reels, and short after YouTube came up with YouTube Shorts, and now Snapchat just recently dropped their own Snapchat Spotlight, which is similar like a vertical TikTok video. Click on the cards above to watch my video on how to edit these vertical videos on your phone, and also don't forget to follow me on other social media platforms such as Instagram and TikTok. So first things first, you open Snapchat app, of course, record a video as normal, or you could choose any footage from either of the memories tab given, such as camera roll. Then press on share as normal, and in here you could not only share to Spotlight but also share the same video to your story so your followers can watch it too. However, both videos would be two separate files and you'll have two view counts on them, as you can see in here. There are a couple of things you can do with this snap. You can either export the snap to your camera roll, delete the snap, edit them so you can add some maybe emojis or anything to it, and send the snap to anyone you wish. Now, how about if you wanted to watch other people's Spotlight? You could basically do so by going onto this play button here. And in here you could basically interact with different spotlighters by sharing and even saying don't like, which is not available on the other rival versions like Instagram Reels. I just wanted to let you know that if you like a video, it will pop in your favorite spotlight section like how it does on the like tab on TikTok. So basically you can see these rivals have tried to copy each other in the same way but only labeled it differently. Here is what you could do if you wanted to watch more of that same creators that you liked. You could just subscribe to them and you'll be able to watch their future content when they upload. But if you wanted to amend some of these options associated with the current account, you could do so by selecting the option from the list shown. On the other hand, if you wanted to limit the options for the subscribed creator, you could do so by either turning off story notifications, or perhaps if you just wanted to share them, just choose from the two ways given here. By the way, did you know that you can actually search for other spotlighters if you know their account name, and you could do so by going onto the search bar at the top and just type their name, and in here I'm just writing my own name. This account that is shown after I searched, it's not my account. Here is my account name, so you can just add me if you'd like. I don't usually post on Spotlight, but if you wanted you could still follow me. I might, post something at some point. Alright, so hashtags are very essential for any social media platform to reach the maximum numbers of viewers possible. At the bottom of the screen you can see these hashtags used, and you could also do a similar video relating to that specific tag used by clicking on them and choose add to topic and just record as normal. Here is one spotlight that I've uploaded recently. As you can see, obviously I have just brought in my TikTok video in here and just added it here because obviously, it's basically the same concept of just vertical videos and less than 1 minute. So once you have recorded your spotlight, you can choose between a few options. You can either mute the video and just have what's on the screen and maybe save it. You can also choose to share it to your story, and then if you press on send to, here are a few options that you could try. You could either put your recorded footage on Spotlight, to my story as a public story, to my story as a private story which only friends can see, or maybe to Snap Map, as well as to any individual that you wanted to send it to. And don't forget, you can also send it to a group. But otherwise, if you didn't want the video at all and wanted to discard it, you could just press on the back icon and select discard. So similarly, like Spotlight, Snapchat has also brought other features such as tokens. These are coins that you could buy to unlock special items within the games in chat. And Bitmoji's feature is not very old too. Comment below if you wanted me to make a video on them, and I shall do that for you in another video. Alright, so that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share it. But if you didn't like it, just press on that like button twice. Take care.